Hello everybody, welcome to my video. This is K. Pritish Kumar, first B.Ed English, studying Sakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Palakanuttu, Pottanjatharam, Thindikkal District. Today we are going to see childhood and growing up. Unit 3, Theories of Child Development. And my topic is Erikson's theory of psychosocial development in children. About Erikson. His full name is Erich Homburger Erikson. He was born on 15th June 1902, Germany. He received awards Pulitzer Prize 1970, National Book Award 1970. His notable ideas: theory on psychological development. He died on 12th May 1994, US. He died at the age of 91. Introduction. Erikson's theory is psychosocial development. He says his theory about 8 stages requires awareness on several basic points. The word psychosocial divides two words, psycho and social. Psycho relates to mind, brain, and personality. Social, which means external relationships and environment. Biopsychosocial, in which bio refers to life, as in biological. Next, we are going to see what are the Erikson stages of development. In Erikson's theory, there are 8 stages of development in children. The stages are as follows. The first stage is infancy. Second one, early childhood. Third one, preschool. Fourth, school age. Fifth, adolescence. Sixth, young adulthood. Seventh, middle adulthood stage. Eighth one and last one, maturity stage. Explanation of these stages. The first stage is infancy. It happened between the years of 0 to 18 months. The basic conflict of the stage is trust versus mistrust. The important event of the stage is feeding. In this stage, the children develop a sense of trust when caregivers provide care and affection. A lack of this, the children will lead to mistrust. The second one is early childhood. It happens between the years between 2 to 3 years. The basic conflict of the stage is autonomy versus shame and doubt. In this stage, the important event is toilet training and dressing. In this stage, the children need to develop a sense of personal control and sense of independence. Success leads to feeling of autonomy, while failure leads to feeling of shame and doubt. Preschool stage. It happens 3 to 5 years. The basic conflict of the stage is initiative versus guilt. The important event of the stage is exploration or play. In this stage, children need to asserting control and power over the environment. Success leads to sense of purpose. Children exert too much power, experience disapproval, resulting in a sense of guilt. School age. This stage happens between the years of 6 to 11. The basic conflict of the stage is industry versus inferiority. The important event of the stage is school. Children need to cope up with new social and academic demands. Success leads to sense of competence, while failure results in feeling of inferiority. The next stage is adolescence. This stage happens between 12 to 18 years. The basic conflict of the stage is identity versus role confusion. The important event is social relationships and self identity. Teens need to develop the sense of self identity. Success leads to ability to stay true to yourself. Failure leads to role confusion. The next stage is young adulthood. It happens between 19 years to 40 years. The basic conflict of the stage is intimacy versus isolation. The important event is intimate relationships. Young adults need to loving relationships with other people. While success leads to strong relationships, failure results in loneliness and isolations. The seventh stage is middle adulthood. This stage happens between 40 to 65 years. The basic conflict of this stage is generosity versus stagnation. The important event is work and parenthood. Adults need to create or nurture things that will outlast them. Having children or creating a positive change that benefits of other people. Success leads to feeling of usefulness and failure leads to shallow involvement in the world. Last and final stage is maturity. This stage happens between 65 to up to his death. This stage is basic conflict is ego identity versus despair. The important event is reflection on life. This stage, older adults need to look back on life and feel a sense of fulfillment. Success leads to feeling of wisdom and failure results in regret, bitterness and despair. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.